In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order number format in Shopify by adding a prefix and suffix to your order numbers. Whether you're looking to add an extra level of organization or simply want to personalize your orders a bit more, customizing order numbers is a practical and straightforward process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin page. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the My Store section. That's your first destination. From the homepage of your Shopify store, you're going to want to navigate to the Settings option. This can usually be found towards the bottom left of your screen. Click on it to open up the Settings menu where all the key configuration options for your store reside. Now that you're in the settings, the next step is to focus on the order number format itself. Here's where we start personalizing our order numbers with prefixes. Within the Settings menu, locate and select the section that allows you to change the prefix of your orders. The prefix is essentially a string of text or a set of numbers that will appear at the beginning of each order number. This can be incredibly useful for quick and easy identification. Maybe you want to add the year or a short code representing the location. It's all up to your business needs. Once you've decided what you'd like your prefix to be, enter it in the designated field. Remember, keep it short and relevant for easier tracking. Next, let's talk about suffixes. Just like the prefix, a suffix is something you add, but this time at the end of your order number. To access this, remain in the Settings panel. You'll see an option specifically for adding or editing the suffix. Suffixes can be equally as useful, perhaps denoting the batch number or a specific sales campaign name. Input your desired suffix into the appropriate field, making sure it complements the prefix and doesn't overcrowd the order number. A crucial tip to remember is, after entering your chosen prefix and suffix, to make sure you save your changes before exiting the Settings menu. This ensures that all modifications are applied and reflected properly on future orders. In case you ever decide to revert or change these settings, you can always return to the same section and make adjustments as needed. With these simple steps, you can effectively change the order number format in Shopify by adding an identifying touch with prefixes and suffixes. And there you have it, a quick and easy approach to managing your store more efficiently. Should you have any questions or run into any hiccups, Shopify's robust support resources are just a click away. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Shopify.